when it comes to people, giving us space, leaving our lives, not being as close or as in touch, one thing that's coming to me to say is yes, this is part of the process because it's no different than going to a retreat center and taking a vow of silence and doing the work. It's just that now like the vow of silence is being imposed on you because other people aren't engaging with you per se. I think I've mentioned it before. It's like the ashram is coming to you, and all of the characters in our life, they're in on it. Like they're in on the orchestration for creating the space for you to find solitude to do this work. Now, that's one way of looking at it. It hurts. It's uncomfortable. It's lonely. I understand. When people say don't respond to us, they're giving us space. And conversely, they're also giving us some homework. They're pushing our button and saying, okay, address some of the abandonment wound, address
Mm.
some of the unworthiness, the clinginess, the longing, deal with
Mm.
that. That's come up now. And then they take space so you can address it. This is what I found in my own life. Other people, I mean, you can't tell them, hey, you're in on my spiritual awakening journey. They won't acknowledge it, of course not. But they very much are in on it. They're following their own intuition. They're following the script that's been laid out to help you to evolve and accelerate your awakening. So this is one thing to keep in mind. It can also work in beneficial ways. For me, when this I had to go you know into my room, into solitude. I quit my job on the spot, and I was, with my parents, and for some reason, they just stopped bothering me. They stopped for 6 weeks straight. I cried in my room, meditated in my room, didn't leave, only to go to the bathroom, eat, maybe go for a walk, and I just went back in my room. And for the first time in my life, they stopped bothering me and telling me, go get a job, or what are you doing? Or, they stopped bothering me. And it's because I like to think they were hypnotized. It's like God came over and said, leave this guy alone. Don't bother him. And so, in some respect, God is going over to those people in your life and saying, no, don't respond. She needs space. And they're following the script because they have no choice.
That's a really good way to look at it. I hadn't thought of that.